Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to the video session of Kentuck Publisher. For today's lesson, the books you need is the textbook for English A, workbook और उसके साथ साथ summer pack की भी आपको ज़रूरत होगी. Today's lesson is in the continuation of the 10th topic, letters A to E, और आज का हमारा letter E है. The topic for letter E is on textbook page number 24. You can identify it by looking at the capital letter E. The objective of the lesson is the same, to be able to identify the shape, sound, action and vocabulary of the letter E. To be able to do these identifications, we are going to use 4 skills: listening, speaking, reading and writing. तो आपकी आसानी के लिए हमने लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग और रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग के 2 लेक्चर्स में इस लेटर को कंप्लीट किया है. So let's start with the first part, listening and speaking. The letter you see in front of you is letter A. The letter A. So let's look into the vocabulary given. Before we go into the letter, we'll listen to a story which is on your page number 24. One summer, Ibad and Iman went to the zoo with their elder brother Ijaz. They saw an elephant eating sugarcane. They saw eagles and beautiful peacocks too. On their way back, they bought eggs. Next morning, Mom fried eggs for breakfast. She cracked the eggs and said, "Ah, ah, ah." Cracking eggs make the sound of ah, 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 which is for your letter A. Ah, egg. So with the pencil, circle the letter A in the story, as many as you see, to know that these sounds are a part of our communication. So I can see a couple of them and I'm doing them in front of you. Pause the video and circle all the letter A in this story so that we can move on. So the picture here is of an egg, and the sound of A is for the letter E. A, A, A. A, egg. मेरे साथ पढ़िए. A, egg. A, elephant. A, elephant. A, eggplant. A, eggplant. So let's sing a song for the letter E, and the sound is A. Eggs are cracking with the A, A, A. Eggs are cracking with the A, 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 A. This picture is here for you to see that when an egg is cracked, the sound makes A, A, A. सो लिसनिंग और स्पीकिंग के बाद अब आती है बारी कलरिंग की. सो आपने अपने टेक्स्ट बुक के पेज में 25 पे ऊपर मौजूद है पिक्चर्स एनवेलप की. एनवेलप, इनको आपने अपनी पसंदीदा कलर से कलर करना है. और इसके साथ साथ होमवर्क पे एक स्टोरी लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग की स्किल के लिए ही मौजूद है, जो आप अपनी मदर की हेल्प से करेंगे. आई विल रीड इट आउट लाउड फॉर यू. And that is your homework. Mother should tell the child the names of the objects beginning with F given below. Then ask her to speak the words with correct sound loudly. Listen to the child if she is saying the letter and words correctly or not. So I'm going to read out the words loud for you once. Elephant. Elbow. Earth, engine, and envelope. Along with that, you also have to memorize the song for the letter A. It was about cracking eggs. Eggs are cracking with the Eggs are cracking with the Please memorize these sounds for the letter A. So the same activity continues for the letter A. आप न्यूज़पेपर या मैगज़ीन में से लेटर ए से बनने वाली पिक्चर्स की कटिंग यहाँ पर पेस्ट करनी है। आपके पास बहुत सारी ऑप्शंस हैं जो बुक्स में से भी अवेलेबल हैं, जैसे एग्स, एग प्लांट्स, एलिफेंट्स, ईयर, आइज और बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें आपको न्यूज़पेपर से मिल जाएंगी. सो यू नीड टू टेक हेल्प फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स for the cut paste activity. Do not hurt yourself with scissors. So I hope today you have learned letter F very well. Take good care of yourself and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.